For this one, we took the hour-long drive from Cape Town to sleepy Langebaan, and it definitely did not disappoint. Thank you for your continued support on the YouTube channel. Like and share this video far and wide, and remember to subscribe so we can enjoy the growth of this channel. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. Enjoy this video.
Very different experience. 32 years ago, my boss's father was the founder here, and he actually sat in the car park and he visualized something like this. So he went off to municipality, managed to get rights to the property. There's still municipal ground, so we actually rent from them. 32 years later, if it's not broken, don't fix it. Perfect. It's working very, very well. I still work for the family. His dad has since passed on a few years back, but yeah, same owners, same family. Personally, I think it's just a wonderful experience. It's the way, you know, I have a lot of Joburg people that come here and they say, gee, Deb, why don't the fish taste the same in Joburg? Once it's frozen, honey, it's not the same. So the difference with us being it's fresh fish coming out, literally the water's here. Out of all the 10 courses you eat today, there's only one course that's not from the water here. So basically it's out the water onto your plate. And quite honestly, that is really the only way to eat fish. My job is actually hostess. So I seat, greet, make sure everybody is happy, try and keep the weather calm so that people have a good time. If you don't have a good time, you come and speak to me. But my job is basically to just make sure everybody is happy, everybody goes through the ritual, they know what's going to follow, they know what's going to come next, and I just basically lead them through it.
Fish that we do for the Thai are from local fishermen here in Langebaan. Apparently we get fresh fish every morning. So they will tell us what is our line fish for the Thai. Like today was the Caiparium was our line fish, and hardest are fresh. So, but yeah, it's all local. We have to clean the fish, like the hardest, we have to open it up to get all the stuff out from the hardest and wash it again, snook. We prepare it, but we mild cure it before fry the snook and whatsoever. So yeah, it goes with all the fish that we have. The yellowtail is that we do is also fresh. We also have the same procedure as the hardest and stuff. I'm so used to everything. Okay, the poikis is much more experience. Much more lovable to do that, like a fish curry and beef stew. Yeah. So, but most of the most favorite thing here for me is the bread, of how you go with the bread, prepare it in the morning, start making your dough, wait for it to rise, put it in the pans, go to the ovens, and you have to change it every time you see it. Mostly you bake it half an hour for the most. But that is the most popular thing for me, and like the roasted cook on open fire. So that's what we do there. My favorite fish is the snook. I love the snook. I'm not into others, but the favorite thing is snook. So yeah, the same as John do it for me on the fire for us. Yes, STRANDLOPER, I love doing it like that. None other. Especially stuff that I like the way John is doing it here at STRANDLOPER. That is how we go with it.
it's a very authentic, rustic locale. I've never been here, and we were actually speaking about it 2 days ago, and my wife's sister has been here. It doesn't appeal to everyone, so definitely I'm very happy. My first time, gonna come again, absolutely, hoping that it'll be a sunnier day and less windy, but definitely coming again just because of the vibe and the friendly staff. Absolutely, the ladies, they chatty and they got jokes, and then the people that like welcome you, fantastic.
I was having a little bit of everything. I actually enjoyed it right from the start. I think we're on the 7th course right now and still going good.
We got here and it's quite windy and it's quite cold, but the weather is still like, it's fine. The vibes are good. We're enjoying, you know, the vibes and the food. We specifically enjoyed the snook. It was so good. We got here a bit late, so we got here mid-course. So yeah, I've loved the snook so far and the vibes are really good. The guitar man is, you know, he's keeping the vibes going.
No, it's been also nice. It's a different vibe, different setting from your normal restaurant setting. I mean, the snook for me was the top. Yeah, it gives you that, or it gave me that, I'm gonna say, nostalgic. Yeah, it reminded me of home, but I used to eat the dried snook, but it was a bit fresh to eat the cooked one. But yeah, I think for me that was the pinnacle of the course for now. I grew up in the villages, so for me it's not weird. It's as I said, it's a bit, you know, familiar in a way. So I actually quite enjoy it here.
The best part so far, I guess, has been the first meal. The fish with the bread, that was really good. I enjoyed that.
The bread is amazing. But yeah, the whole experience, it's very rustic, very like if you like getting sand in your feet, then this is a place to be. It's not for everybody, but yeah, it's. I think if you're South African, firstly, you have to try it out. If you're foreign, this definitely is an experience. Yeah. But so far, I'm loving it. It's a lot of food, so you gotta pace yourself. But yeah, it's been awesome. It's an awesome experience.
We found this morning and we booked immediately, and that is what we came for. Worth your money. The favorite was the mussel, the cream, not the creamy one, that mussel that you open up, that one, and the snook. Snook is wow, it's wow. And we're waiting for the crayfish. And the cook sisters. Yeah, the cook sisters and the tea.
Darling, Sabina.